Hey, how's it going? It's Kevin or Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Holly Avenue Elementary School in Arcadia, California, home of the Dolphins. Spoke to the kindergarten through fifth graders today, and this being a Leader in Me school, the topic today was all about leadership, and especially as it relates to the human element. So really trying to see people for their heart before anything first. Like the shirt says here, we see people as one race, human, see them as human beings before anything else, and that we also cherish everybody, know our own self-worth, but also identify that with the M etched on all of our palms, which stands for miracle. Right side up, upside down, W stands for worthy. That we see that we're wonderful creations, that we're all worthy of love, and that once we can experience that, well, now we can go out and share that. That it's true that hurt people, and sometimes those are, ourselves, that we get hurt and people hurt our feelings, but now we can become these healed people to help heal people by showing others the same kindness that was shown to us once our hearts become healed. And as leaders, that we have this courage to really stand up for what's right, like Dr. King has said, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., that the time is always right to do what is right, and what is right is to show compassion to everybody around us, treat everybody like you treat your best friend, that you see them as human beings before anything else, and see them for their heart as big as our fist before anything too, so that eventually we can turn this into this and keep sharing that on this planet, keep giving that gift back. That so many students came up to me after my assemblies today and said that their heart was really touched, and that's awesome, because that means that they have a big heart, and now it's their job and their opportunity to go now and share that gift by how they choose to treat other people going forward. So thanks again for touching my heart. You guys are all beautiful miracles. You guys are wonderful. Never forget that. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.